Boeing is hitting the brakes on ramping up production, and it's a move that's raising eyebrows across the aviation industry. Why the sudden pause? After years of turmoil, the aerospace giant is prioritizing stability over speed, a decision that could reshape its future, and the future of air travel. But here's where it gets controversial: is this a strategic step forward or a sign of deeper challenges yet to be addressed? During a press conference at Paris-Le Bourget Airport on June 20, 2023, Boeing's Stephanie Pope made it clear, the company is focusing on stabilizing its current production levels before chasing ambitious output targets. As the CEO of Boeing Commercial Airplanes, Pope emphasized that quality and safety improvements are taking center stage, even if it means moving at a slower pace. Getting it better at the right pace is better than going fast, she told reporters ahead of the Dubai Air Show. This cautious approach comes after regulators recently allowed Boeing to increase its 737 jet production to 42 planes per month, up from a temporary cap of 38 imposed after a mid-air blowout incident in 2024. That event, caused by missing bolts in a door plug, exposed widespread safety and quality issues within the company. And this is the part most people miss. Boeing's new strategy involves meeting 6 critical targets agreed upon with the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, including addressing supplier shortages and reducing out-of-sequence work. Pope noted that industrial glitches are trending downward, but she stopped short of providing a timeline for reaching the next production milestones, 47 737s and 10 787s per month. "I cannot put a definition on it," she said. "We'll go up in rate when the system is ready." To accommodate higher production, Boeing is setting up a new, North Line, at its Everett factory, north of Seattle, a significant shift from its decades-long reliance on the Renton facility. However, this expansion won't be activated until Boeing aims to return to pre-COVID production levels of 52 737s per month. When asked if Boeing plans to match or exceed Airbus's production rates, currently at 63 A320neo family jets per month with plans to hit 75 by 2027, Pope remained focused on the present. "My near-term focus is one rate break at a time," she said, though she acknowledged that the extra capacity is designed to meet long-term market and customer demands. Here's the bold question: can Boeing truly close the gap with Airbus, or has its European rival already pulled too far ahead? Airbus's success with the A321neo, coupled with Boeing's safety and industrial setbacks, has left the US planemaker playing catch-up. Analysts stress that these production plans are make or break for both companies, as Boeing works to repair its finances and Airbus builds a war chest for the next generation of planes. As Boeing navigates this delicate balance between stability and growth, one thing is certain: the aviation industry is watching closely. What do you think? Is Boeing's cautious approach the right move, or should it be pushing harder to reclaim its dominance? Let us know in the comments. This debate is far from over.